Life better and sadder. There's something that's better. Rolling away. Alright guys, malakaw the Reiki yung lata kita sa bedyo. Lala ko ng mga tumbas ng Kuljumar. Life better and sadder. There's something that's sadder. Rolling away. Slow bitch. Hurry up, sir.
Dito tayo na. Diyan, dito ka na. Sakay. Dito tayo na. Dito tayo na.
Piso. Lo, sa
So, it
mapustin.
is part pa rin ng 3 hectares na mangosteen orchard. Okay, so by the way, yung flower garden po that's commonly used for freedom or red Victorians. Yeah, so before din po si Miss Chris Aquino, dyan po siya nag-show yung game Canada. Okay, so we are passing through the rainbow bands. Also yung wedding po, dito po held on that side. Okay, so by the way, Eden is 95% man-made and the 5% remaining yun po ang natural resources. Yeah, so itong resort, this is 75 hectares and 60 of which are fully developed. Yeah, so if maglalakad kayo dito, it will take 2 to 3 hours before nyo malibot yung area. Pero yeah, depende pa rin kung gaano kayo kabilis maglakad. Yeah, so around 5 to 6 a.m. maganda mag-walking dito. So ngayon naman going tayo sa private area ng resort. So where the owner stays. And speaking of the owner, it's Jesus B. Ayala. A local Ayala, and they are not related to the Ayalas in Manila. Ayala Davao. Yeah, so here in your upper right, we have Shangri-La 1. Ito po good for 6, 11,400. Yeah, so we have a cottage over there. Yun po ang bahay ng owner. Yan na. So, ito naman is Shangri-La 2, good for 25 packs. Also, that's 25,000, tigwa 1,000 din po kayo. Yeah, so, time sharing yan siya kasi nandito yung owner, dyan din po sila nakastay. Yeah, so, here we have nursery of our ornamental plants. Again, on your left side, meron po tayong mga cacao, so which can be used for making chocolate. Yeah, so, dito sa Davao City, we have a chocolate factory. Located po yan sa Malagos Garden. So, another tourist spot here dito sa Davao. So, this is the second phase of our mangosteen orchard or Garcia Mangostada. Itong mangosteen, it takes 8 to 15 years before yan mag-bear ng ganon katagal. Kaya mahal ang mangosteen. But after 8 to 15 years, continuous na din po yung una. Yeah, so yung lifespan nito, aabot din yan ng 100 years. And that can be productive by yeah, so usually yung mangosteen tree is matataas. But dito sa Eden, medyo mababa lang since yung dulo niyan is kinakat nila. Yeah, so para hindi mo mahirapan sa pag-harvest. And also, this can be used for medicine like yung pinakasikat na MX3. A food supplement. Yeah, so Eden used to be an outdoor area with most of its primary forest gone. Yeah, so it was only in the 1970 na nag-start yung development. Yeah, so by the time the owner started planting thousands of pine trees as well as other trees and plants. And also they cut terraces along the mountains. Yeah, so since sa forest area ito, hindi rin po maiiwasan na may mga wild animals tayo. Like snakes and monitor lizard. Yeah, so we don't kill them since they are part of the nature. Hinahayaan lang. Pero don't worry, ma'am, sir, kasi yung ahas dito ay Oriental namin. Oh, mababait na po.
Tataba ang kinakain.
Yeah, so dito sa Eden, yes, as you can observe, marami tayong pine trees po. Anonymous Aspen.
Buhaya na.
Sobrang taas po yan. So, meron din tayong mga giant ferns. Ito part din ng natural resources. Pero hindi po ito edible. Makikita po na pwede paggulay. Yes, so now we are headed to our second stopover at Tinugdan. Etong Tinugdan, galing po yan sa Visayan root word tupod, which means source or origin. Pinanggalingan or kung sa Bisaya, sinuganan. Yes, so this is Eden's tribute to the indigenous cultures of Mindanao. Yes, so ngayon meron tayong cultural dancers. Yes, so you're free to dance as well. Tingnan natin kung sinong mas magaling. So again, you have 5 minutes to roll around. They're waiting. Okay, let's go down.
Sayo na lang.
Natin every weekends na po yan since mga senior high school. Yes, yung Tinugdan and open po yan in 2008. So we have Bagani, yung malaking statwa. Yes, so dito na-represent niya ang Pag-Obokay. So he is a protector or a warrior. So before if a guy can be more than that person, considered na yan as Bagani. So ngayon criminal ka na ipapatay ka na sa buhay. So hindi na ako ito. Ito si Bagani, pinag-play din po yan ni Enrique sa ABS-CBN before. Much kind of person. Sila dalawa nila isang so again, dito meron pa rin tayong vegetable garden. So rest assured of your organic. So okay, we're going down. So makikita natin ang view ng Davao City at Davao Gold and Samal Island. So Eden's highest point is 3,000 feet above sea level. In the nature park, we have sister companies sa Sama, Iyalan Buenavista and Ana Marina. Again, meron pa rin tayong mga gulay dito. Dito naman na side is our herbs and spices. So daily siniserve chickens sa restaurant. We have mint, dill, basil, cilantro, rosemary, oregano, tarragon, and thyme. And also, we have rare variety po aming tradition. Ito po ang yellow pizza pie or the yellow dried. Ito po available sa fishing Yes, and this is our last stop over the Lola's Garden. So, tingnan fishing well, yung biwad, yung kalabaw na hindi bumagalaw. So, pwedeng sa kimaam. Again, you have time to Mr.
What? Like what a segma. This is crazy.
Yeah, so everyone, dito na side, we have a family cottage po. So ito yung high lunch. Yeah, so good for 10, 7,600.
Nakapikas ako dari.
Dito is yellow lang talaga.
Yellow lang. Piling cross natin sa pink.
It's a rare variety. Medyo pricey din. Ito pa rin yung Philippine Giant Bamboo natin. So this can be used for furniture. So again, in your left, dito we have log cabin. So still in family cottage. Okay, so fully furnished po yan. Good for 12 and that's 10,300. Again, pwedeng magdala ng pagkain. So just in case,
2,004.
ay nyo kung magluto yung order sa restaurant.
Saka ditong
So, bawat rules, meron tayong intercom tawag lang po. So, now we're going up. Hawak po tayo dyan.
20 years ago na pa sa 2004 kami na kanadin. Philippine Councilor's League.
Gaya na natin, sir, no?
Oo, yan na. Layo, mapunta ka na ano doon pa.
Pakta sa mga to, sir.
May car.
So, ito naman is our gardenia rooms. Yeah, so, alam nyo yung mag-bonfire tsaka free breakfast po yan. Also, meron din tayong camping po dyan. Yeah, so, we have 10 units po yung 1 to 8, good for 6. And that's 5,450. And the other two, yung 9 and 10, that's good for 2 to 3. 4,450 naman. Yeah, so, dito hindi na po tayo gumagamit ng aircon since malamig na. We only use electric fan. Also, wala po tayong Wi-Fi kasi major violence. So, dito we have small honey bridge. Part po yan ng mountain lake. So dito naman we have begonia rooms. So good for 4 free breakfast natin. The other inclusion sa mga naka-overnight, free entrance sa pool. Yung pool natin nasa taas na po ng 8%. So dito meron din tayong seminar village. So we have Fern and Cypress Hall which can accommodate up to 70 miles. So for team building seminar and workshop. Above it, meron tayong garden hall. So far, ito yung pinakamalaking hall. So yan po ba, mag-accommodate up to 300 naman. So that is for buildings. So here in Eden, we have 64 rooms, 4 family cottages, and 6 seminar or function areas. So yung sa taas na makikita nyo po, that's our main restaurant. It's top po yan.
All dyan.
Yan, dito na lang yung reception for weddings. And we have playground for kids. So dito sa village, you can take picture sites. If you are adventurous, pwede nyo din try yung Skyrider adventure natin. That's located outside. So you can bring your own vehicle going to the area. Kung ano lang po yung sasakyan, yun lang din ang babayaran. So kaya din ito tinawag na Eden Nature Park because ang resort is located dito sa barangay. Boundary dito po itong residential area. Also, we have butterfly garden po. Yung greenhouse on that side. Walang bayad, free na free po yan. So again, on your upper right, we have I Love Eden. Sa taas is the bamboo maze. Okay, so this is the end of our tour. Daghang salamat. Okay, so thank you for visiting Eden Nature's Park and mabuhay everyone. Ikot na po tayo.